client that had come to us, they had been denied at the initial and reconsideration level, and we had to go to a hearing. And the denial hinged on Social Security had incorrect information about my client's work history. And so we were able to go in front of a judge and present testimony that ultimately resulted in my client getting approved. So if we hadn't been involved, if we hadn't cleared up that work history information, the client would have never gotten approved. A lot of times, the value of the attorney is correcting misinformation that Social Security gathered, and a lot of times it's pinpointing medical evidence to support their claims, because the adjudicators will typically rely on the report of a consultative examination, which is where Social Security will send the client to a doctor for a one-time evaluation. And they will give just that initial report more weight in making a decision, and they'll ignore medical records that the client has submitted from providers that treat them consistently. So we're able to tell Social Security, yes, you have this report, but you need to look at this. And again, that's where a lot of our clients get approved, is we are able to shift that weight to evidence that is the treating providers, that shows that their conditions are very severe, and we can discount the medical evidence that they're relying on and ultimately getting benefits for our clients. That's another aspect of the job, is listening to our clients, being there for our clients, because yes, they're going through a lot. It's physical, it's mental, it's debilitating. They're not working, they don't have any money coming in, and it's just a scary situation. So we pride ourselves on being there for the clients and not just pushing their claim and trying to get them benefits. We're there to navigate a very difficult situation. We're trying to help people. I know what I got into. That's why I do it. It's very gratifying to get a client approved and get them benefits they deserve. When I'm talking to a client, I find that it's very important to listen to them and not just talk over them or disregard their feelings. You want to acknowledge that. And so I find that it's important. So I try to step in each client's shoes. There's a connection with the client, and when I get a client approved and they're thanking me or they're happy, I'm happy for them. So I share that joy with them. I share the pain with them, and I'll share the joy with them.